I am Ravi Asrani from Indore, India. It's an honor and pleasure for me and my mentor colleague Mr. Shashikant Chitnis to reveal the discovery of new mathematical constant in the 7th International Conference on Vedic Mathematics organized by IIVM, which is devoted to the furtherance of Vedic mathematics worldwide. Thanks to IIVM for giving us this opportunity. There are different types of numbers which add beauty to number theory. One among such captivating numbers is Kaprekar's constant. After the discovery of world famous Kaprekar's constant 6174 by great Indian recreational mathematician and torchbearer of Vedic mathematics, let's see D.R. Kaprekar in 1949, there is a big silence for such constants containing more than 4 digits. The reason may be the tedious, lengthy computational iterative methodology used to find such constants. We applied Kaprekar's routine to any 7-digit number which has at least 2 digits different. By recurring subtraction of ascending 7-digit numbers from their mirror images, we always arrive at a constant magical number, which again repeated itself after 8 iterations. There are about 90 lakh 7-digit numbers in all, out of which 89 lakh 99,991 numbers are such that which have at least 2 digits different. It seemed impossible to manually calculate such constant by traditional methods with many iterations, but Vedic mathematics made it possible for us. We repeated Kaprekar's routine on many 7-digit numbers and found the same magical figure appeared all the time. We pleasantly surprised that a new mathematical cyclic constant has been discovered. Number we are talking about is 7619733. It doesn't seem to have anything which is unusual about it. But if we take any 7 digits, these 7 digits mustn't be all the same. So we can choose 6 digits same and 1 different, or all digits different. It doesn't really matters. Arrange them first in descending order and then in ascending order. Subtract the numbers. Repeat the process until you get a constant. Yes, in every case the constant will be 7619733. So I choose any random 7-digit number having all 7 digits different. Let the number be 7529643. So 7529643 is our starting point. Now we rearrange the digits of this number from highest to lowest to form largest number and smallest number by arranging digits from smallest to highest. Now subtract smallest number from largest. We get a new number 7419753. We again put this new number into a machine. Again form two numbers by arranging the digits of this number in descending order and then in ascending order. And take one away from the other to get 8429652. The same process is repeated again and again. In the third iteration, we arrange this new number in decreasing order of digits from highest to lowest and obtain the smaller number by reversing the order of digits of larger number. So 9865422 minus 2245689. On subtraction, we arrive at a magical constant number 7619733. Here we got constant number in 3 goes. Once we achieve the magical figure 7619733, repeat the process. We again end up with 7619733 in 8 iterations. So the whole process always converges to 7619733. So we'll just keep getting 7619733 over and over again. Hence this number 7619733 can be designated as cyclic constant, as it rightly deserves this title for all 7-digit numbers. Now let us see that how these tedious, lengthy and heavy computations become simple, easy and reduced with the help of Vedic maths methods. We take one example. I choose a random 7-digit number 9865422, having 2 digits alike and other digits are distinct. Arranging digits in descending and then in ascending order and subtracting the smaller number from bigger one can be done in a single step. Like 9 minus 2, 8 minus 2, 6 minus 4, 5 minus 5, 4 minus 6, 2 minus 8, 2 minus 9. So we get 7620 bar 2 bar 6 bar 7, a Vinculum number. And 7620 bar 2 bar 6 bar 7 is equal to 7619733, a constant in normal form. By Vilokanam, that is by mere observation, we find that Vinculum number, which is resultant third number obtained in process of subtraction, always a palindrome number with midmost digit is 0 and last 3 digits are bar digits. We convert this Vinculum number to normal one by using Nikhilam and Ekanyunan Vedic Math Sutra. By closed Vilokanam of this normal number, we find that midmost digit of the number is always 9 and sum of outer pair digits is always 10. Here 7 plus 3 is 10 and sum of inner pair digits is always 9. Here 6 plus 3 is 9. This is sum of intermediate pairs and sum of innermost pair digits on either side of 9 is always 8. Here 1 plus 7 is 8. These observations we derived a formula to write resultant third number, which we can write directly, which we obtain in 3 steps involved in rearrangement of digits to form greater and smaller number and then subtraction of smaller number from greater one. The formula for third resultant new number is a minus small a, capital B minus small b, capital C minus small c minus 1, d minus d subscript 9, capital C minus small c minus 1 subscript 8, capital B minus small b subscript 9, capital A minus small a subscript 10, where capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, small c, small b, small a is a 7-digit number in which digits are arranged in decreasing order so that capital A is largest and small a is smallest digit. Here d minus d subscript 9 means complement of 0 from 9, that is 9 only. And capital C minus small c minus 1 subscript 8 stands for complement of c minus 1 from 8. And capital B minus small b subscript n stands for complement of capital B minus small b from 9. And capital A minus small a subscript 10, it stands for complement of capital A minus small a from 10. In this way, we have to find only first 3 digits of new resultant number and other 4 digits are readily available. So this formula reduces our time and effort to 1/3. I illustrate this formula with the help of an example to better understand the process. If we want to find cyclic constant of 8649,432. Here largest digit is 9, smallest is 2. So largest minus smallest. Then second largest 8 minus second smallest 3. Then third largest 6 minus third smallest 4 minus 1. Then midmost digit is always 9. Then we write complements of first 3 digits in reverse order from 8, 9 and 10 respectively. So here complement of 1 from 8. Then next is complement of 5 from 9 and complement of 7 from 10. So we will get a new number 7, 5, 1, 9 will remain same. Then complement of 1 from 8 is 7. Complement of 5 from 9 is 9 minus 5, 4. Complement of 7 from 10 is 10 minus 7, 3. Same process is repeated again to find new number directly with the help of 7519743. We get a new number 8429652. As here 9 minus 1 is 8. Then 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 4 minus 1 is 2. Midmost digit is 9. Then complement of 2 from 8 is 6. Complement of 4 from 9 is 5. Complement of 8 from 10 is 2. Similarly, now our starting point is 8429652 and we obtain new number directly. As largest digit minus smallest, 9 minus 2 is 7. Then second largest 8 minus second smallest 2, 8 minus 2 is 6 here. Then third largest 6 minus third smallest 4 minus 1 which is equal to 1. Midmost digit is 9 and here complement of 1 from 8 is 7. Complement of 6 from 9 is 3 and complement of 7 from 10 is 3. So we end up with cyclic constant number 7619733. So eventually we end with 7619733. If we choose 7619733 as our starting point, let's see what will happen. In first iteration, we got number 8439552. In second iteration, we got 7509843. In third iteration, we got 9529641. In fourth iteration, 8719722 obtained. In fifth iteration, 8649432 is the result. In sixth iteration, 7519743 is the answer. In seventh iteration, the new number so formed is 8429652. And in eighth iteration, 8429652 will give result 7619733 again. So a cyclic constant repeated itself after 8 iterations. In this way, we will just keep getting 7619733 over and over again. Vedic math sutras minimize our operations to great extent and speed up easy calculations to obtain constant. We experimented this routine to hundreds of 7-digit numbers using Vedic math method. In every case, we found that constant will be 7619733. But then question arises that is this cyclic constant true for all 89,99,991 7-digit numbers? To validate our manual computations, we converted this mathematical process into a computer program and found that this cyclic constant 7619733 is true for all 7-digit numbers which have at least 2 digits different. Now I want to show you with the help of computer program that the cyclic constant 7619733 is true for all 89,99,991 7-digit numbers. Now I choose a number 12/7/1971. It's my date of birth. I put this number in a program and found that it requires 5 iterations to yield cyclic constant. Now I take number 24/2/1942, date of birth of Mr. Shashikant Chitnis. What a coincidence! It's take 5 iterations to generate cyclic constant. Maybe that's why both of us are able to do research work together. Now the numbers that I am going to put in this machine will seem familiar to all of you. By using Vilokanam, please try to find the source of these numbers. First I take number 4469600. This number takes 6 iterations to obtain constant. Number 2869467 requires 7 iterations to get constant. Number 7205803 needs 9 iterations to generate cyclic constant. Number 1313313 requires 5 iterations. 9996279 requires 9 iterations. 11952234 requires 7 iterations. 5003187 took 12 iterations. 9081023 requires 7 iterations. 309546 needs 6 iterations. Lastly, number 5004763 needs only 1 iteration to generate cyclic constant 7619733. I hope that you must have recognized these numbers. I have taken these numbers from IIVM WhatsApp group. These are last 7 digits of phone numbers of some members of the group. I think I have explained enough. Now my presentation comes to an end. Let me conclude. My mentor colleague Mr. Shashikant Chitnis is a genius of numbers. He always used to play with numbers and I always assist him in his game of numbers. The result is this appealing and interesting discovery. It seems to be fun. Moreover, not everything has to be useful. As per applications of this cyclic constant is concerned, the most important application I think is that it develops interest of mathematics, mainly Vedic mathematics, in the student. Thank you.